Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. Use either portrait or landscape mode. After that, you come out and just make a seat like you just see me do. After some time, you can now just lift your hand up. Alright, lift your hand up, then you turn it and do as if you are turning something. Alright, then after some few seconds now, you can now push it out. Alright, then you can stay there for some few seconds again. Then after that, you can now walk out.
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial. So click on CapCut, new project now. Import your video to workspace. That volume sign there, click it. Let's silence the volume. After that, let's locate where we want the video to start from. Alright, just go and look for the better place you want the video to start. Alright, before you raise your hand up, you want to click on it, then you make a split. Make a split now. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Let's locate where we want the video to stop. So you scroll to the place where you want it to stop before this second place where you carry your hand up. We're going to be clicking here now to make another split. Delete that last part. We don't need it again. So you come back now, you click it, expound the character and position him the way you want him to be. Position the character well. After positioning him now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to mark anywhere. Then we click on overlay. Come back now. We want to add the green screen now, right? Click anywhere, click on overlay, add overlay, import the green screen to workspace. So at this point, if you have enjoyed the video you just watched guys, it is time to tell us your opinion about the video. What is your opinion? What is your take? What do you make up of this video? And just in case you have a CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. Alright, if you love what we are doing and you love this video, smash your like button. Alright, and just in case you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point you want to click on volume. Click on volume now. Click on volume. Let us silence it. Take it to 0. Mark on this good. Then you go back. So you go and locate remove BG guys. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key now. Then you drag it. Mark on this good now. Then you go back. Alright. Click on it again and locate adjust. Let's remove the green completely. Mark on adjust now. Look for HSL. Then you mark on it now. Mark on that green and reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on this good. Then you go back. So you want to click it now so that you position the green screen sword the way you want it to be. And just in case you need this green screen, just DM me, I will send it to you. So take time now to do your necessary adjustment. As you can see what I am doing, you want to do all the adjustments you want to do. Look at it. I am still shifting looking for the perfect position. I will place it. All right, take time here to do your necessary adjustment because this is where the magic is. You need to get this place right, so take time to do your necessary adjustment. Take time to do your necessary adjustment. After doing your adjustment now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on this green screen sword. Then we are going to be shifting it, but that will be after you must have gotten your perfect position where you want it to be. I think I've gotten mine. I think this place is good. So the next thing now is to come and click on it. then you adjust it, all right, to a point where you want the effect to start showing, all right. So you click it and adjust it very well. So at this point now, then you come back, all right. As you lift your hand up, immediately you turn your hand, click this one and drag it, so that it will come to the point of your hand. Now the next thing we are going to be doing now, locate where this sword starts rolling, where it started turning. You get the perfect place there, then you click on it. We are going to be splitting it, all right. Before you push it out, you click on it. Before you push it out, click on it and make a split, all right. Make a split. So make a split, you click this one and drag it back completely. So you want the sword to turn for some time before you push it out. That is why you click it and locate duplicate. You want to duplicate it now. Click this edge and couple it to the place where it's turning. Then you click it and bring it to align with this one, all right. So now is to turn the sword before we push it out. So click on this very one you just work on now. You go and look for duplicate again. So we are going to duplicate it to the point where we push the sword out, all right. So keep duplicating it until you get to the point where you push the sword out. We are still going to be duplicating it, okay. Duplicate it to the point you push it out. As immediately you push it out, now click on this edge. Then you want to crop here small before you drag this major one to align with this one. We are going to play it from the beginning now. Let us see what we have got. After doing necessary adjustment, then we are going to play it. Let us see what we have got. So play it from the beginning now. Now is the time you want to take time. Watch the video very well, because you are the creator. Watch the video very well in case if there is any error or correction you need to make. You make your necessary correction. But as far as I'm concerned, this one is ready. We'll mark out it's too long here. It's too long in this part. I will click here now and make a split. Then I will delete the last part. Make a split here. Delete the last part. So at this point, I am convinced, I am sure that this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export this video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those effects. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export this your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. So the next thing now is you click on export. As you can see, it's exporting your size patient. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay guys, if you love this tutorial and you love the video you have just watched, it is time to air your view, to tell us what you think about this tutorial and the video in general. And just in case you have a CapCut magic trick or effect you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. All right, if you love what we are doing and you love this video, just go and smash your like button. Help us to share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.